how to see your time on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, go to settings or gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap gear icon. Here in settings and privacy and preference section, you can see here the your time on Facebook. So you can tap this, and now here you can see the see your time. So see how much time you're spending on Facebook and what you're doing on your time. What you'll have to do is tap the see time button here, and now you can see here the time per day, the amount of time you spend using Facebook app on this device. So average this week is 14 minutes, average last week is 33 minutes. So you can compare last week and this week. So okay, you can slide to the left and you can see the daytime versus nighttime. So 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. So average nighttime this week is 1 minute, and the average daytime this week is 13 minutes. So this week is 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. And another is you can slide to the left and the visit, the number of times you open the Facebook app on this device. So average per day this week is 8 visit, average per day last week is 14 visit. So this is the record of my time on Facebook. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully see your time on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.